Look at this Microsoft commercial where two guys are talking about creating a table for 4 minutes. But today you can create that with 4 lines of instruction, all well researched and calculated table in just matter of seconds. Would you teach your kids a book of Microsoft Excel 1995 in 2024? This is exactly what our education system is doing right now. We are teaching kids the technology and ways of creating things in old manner of 1990. What's the point of teaching a kid C programming if AI can create code just like that? We are doing it all wrong. The education system is producing graduates with the knowledge that is outdated. That is why they are not accepted in companies. That is exactly why we have unemployment. We do not have people who creates big things. The next few years is going to be like a knowledge pandemic where everybody is going to have data in their head which is not going to be useful because they are going to be replaced by AI and other tools which can do their job freely. Then what is the point of all these people? Where do we take these people ahead? And that is a real pandemic. In the year 2024, parents and students are going to waste more than $1 trillion in education just to get out students with outdated knowledge, which will be unemployable. No one will hire them. We need to change that. I need to change that. We don't need to teach our students skills. We need to teach them how to learn any skills. Teaching skills that can be easily done by the system is only waste of time. We need to teach students how to learn anything quickly. We shall rather invest our time in educating students to create the products for 22nd century, the new Bharat. That is why we are trying to design new humans that knows multiple skills, using the skills that they can create anything that they want. If you want to start your new YouTube channel, if you want to start your food brand, your company, new music studio, if you're depressed or heartbroken and you want to start your new life with a completely brand new perspective, whatever you want to create, it starts here with never ever done combination before of design and Sanatan Dharma's 3 principles: Shil, Samadhi and Pragya. We will be training students to learn anything, content from within, and having ability to create anything that they want and anything that they can imagine. With the complete self-awareness of present moment, we will be designing the human. Those are the combination of Sherlock Holmes, Steve Jobs and Buddha. Introducing Human Design Academy. It gives me immense pride to announce that I'm using my 10 years of design experience and 5 years of art of living experience to create a course which empowers the students to create design product and design themselves from a brand new perspective and give them a happy life and a career. For more details about the course, watch out this space, look at our website, send this to people who are either graduating or want to create their new career or are stuck somewhere in their life and want to move ahead and design field and actually want to start something of their own, because this is where your new life starts. Thank you.